People love stories, and marketing has capitalized on this. Through storytelling, businesses and digital marketing aim to tap into their audience's emotions and craft an unforgettable experience. So let's explore what storytelling is and how it can be utilized in your marketing strategy. What does storytelling mean? Storytelling is a form of content marketing that involves narrating stories about a company and its products. For a story to work, it needs to meet 3 requirements. Showcase the brand's core values. It's essential for storytelling to reflect the brand's ideals, creating a uniform brand message. It should be more than just an entertaining narrative. It should align with the brand's vision and marketing strategy. Trigger emotions. The best stories stand out in the overcrowded advertising world because they stir emotions. They should make people laugh, inspire, unite, or move the reader in some way. Avoid direct promotion. The best-selling stories do so without openly promoting the brand or product. There's a clear distinction between promotional content, like a Black Friday sale, and stories, which seek to subtly influence over time. Though creating captivating stories requires more effort, the rewards are worth it. Simplifying complex ideas. Much like how real-world examples help in understanding math concepts, storytelling simplifies complex ideas related to new products or brand campaigns. Use clear examples for easier comprehension. Fostering community. Stories often have universal themes and characters, enabling various individuals to experience similar emotions at the same time, thus building a community around your brand. Inspiring and motivating. Through storytellings, brands appear more transparent and authentic, helping consumers connect with them, boosting brand loyalty, and prompting actions. So, how can you craft these stories? Here are some tips. Ensure there's a demand for your product or service. Stick to a narrative structure with a beginning, middle, and end. Add drama and tension to engage the audience. Keep it simple. Focus on a clear, singular message. Use an appropriate tone and style that matches your brand and audience. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating effective stories. Before crafting your story, research your target audience to know who would respond best to it. Identify your key message. Regardless of your story's length or format, there should be a central message you aim to communicate. Decide on the type of story. The story could incite action, tell who you are, illustrate your values, foster community, or educate. The type depends on your primary goal. Include a call to action. Though stories shouldn't be overly promotional, it should be clear what the audience should do after engaging with your story. Choose a format. The format could be written, voice-based, video, or digital, depending on your story type and resources. Create the story. It's time to write, record, or narrate your story. Share the story. Creating the story is only half the process. The other half involves spreading it to reach as many people as possible, leveraging the channels your brand uses. What is the difference between scrollytelling and traditional storytelling? At a fundamental level, both scrollytelling and traditional storytelling seek to engage an audience through a captivating narrative. However, scrollytelling has a unique spin, offering more control to the user. Scrolling through the narrative allows the audience to interact with the information, enabling them to control the pace and sequence of the story. This freedom of exploration and interaction is a distinct advantage over traditional storytelling, which often lacks such interactivity. Scrollytelling finds its application in a multitude of domains, driven by the context, target audience, and the nature of the content, brands or products. Scrollytelling serves as an effective platform to showcase and advertise products. One notable instance is Gucci's 2020 campaign, Gucci Epilogue Collection. Gucci, by teaming up with Savoir Faire, showcased its collection through an interactive scrolling experience where the story of characters unfolds as the user scrolls down. The user gets to unveil the underlying, often unexpected situation of these characters, creating a sense of anticipation and engagement. Education and learning. Beyond marketing, scrollytelling is an excellent tool for imparting education and facilitating learning. The Museo del Prado in Madrid adopted scrollytelling to take users on an interactive journey through the life and work of the painter Bosch. The exploration of his paintings with accompanying explanation and extra facts provides an immersive learning experience. Portfolios and websites. Scrollytelling also finds its use in creating engaging portfolio websites. An apt example is UX designer Louis Seller's portfolio Recap After Use, where the designer uses big fonts, vibrant colors, and sharp designs to keep visitors hooked till the end. Telling stories. Scrollytelling is an effective medium for displaying chronological sequences. For example, the website Historiography uses scrollytelling to display a timeline of historical events, with each dot on the timeline representing an event. Scrollytelling, with its engaging and interactive nature, can be a game changer for content and digital marketing strategies. It encourages audiences to become active participants in the storytelling process, leading to higher engagement and better content recall. But like any strategy, the effectiveness of scrollytelling lies in how well it aligns with your brand's messaging and audience preferences. That's it for today's video. Let us know in the comments if you found this helpful and if you plan to use storytelling in your marketing strategy. Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing insights. See you later!